Hi, my name is Tobias Schneider, and I'm a PhD student at the Glasgow School of Art and a research assistant at the Stuttgart Media School. And today I'm presenting you our research, Explain Yourself, Transparency for Positive User Experience in Autonomous Driving, by our team Joanna Heuss, Alicia Rosenstein, Sabir Gelal, Dimitra Theophano-Fülbier, and Ansgar Gerlicher. And it is part of the FlexCar research project and was also conducted in cooperation with Mercedes-Benz. We were interested in investigating the impact of AI transparency on the user experience during an autonomous ride, and thereby unboxing the black box, making the unknown better understandable. We focused on connecting the areas of human-computer interaction, user experience design, and explainable AI. We developed a physical driving simulator equipped with 5 screens and 4 car seats, a multi-modal system providing additional explanatory information during the ride by using light and augmented reality, and a mobile application for retrospective explanations about the ride. We pre-recorded an 8-minute ride simulating an autonomous drive through Stuttgart, Germany, filmed with 3 cameras, and added augmented reality explanations on the windshield by using Adobe After Effects, and also installed colored LEDs for further communication. Furthermore, we provided additional explanations after the ride via our smartphone application. We had 2 main research questions. First, do live explanations increase the passenger's user experience? And second, do retrospective explanations increase the passenger's user experience? We also asked, will the different feedback types also increase perceived feeling of safety, perceived feeling of control, understanding and ease of use of the system, and interest in the system? We had a mixed method between and within subjects design study with 2 groups, 20 participants each, 14 female, 26 male, and an average age of 24.65 years. Both groups started by entering our driving simulator and experiencing our simulated autonomous ride, with the difference that Group A was not provided with live explanations during the ride and Group B was provided with live explanations. Afterwards, both groups filled out the Autonomous Vehicle Acceptance Model Questionnaire and the User Experience Questionnaire Short and conducted an unstructured interview. After that, both groups were presented with retrospective explanations about the autonomous ride via our mobile application, and once again filled out both questionnaires and conducted another unstructured interview. Regarding the results of the User Experience Questionnaire Short, Group A, with no live explanations during the ride, had a negative user experience, but the mobile application with retrospective explanations of the autonomous ride was able to significantly improve the user experience of Group A. For Group B, the user experience is similar during the ride and after the app usage. Regarding the Autonomous Vehicle Acceptance Model Questionnaire, there were no significant differences regarding perceived safety between the groups. However, the mobile application was able to produce a significantly increased understanding of the system for Group A with no live explanations, and for Group B with live explanations, a significantly increased understanding of the system compared to Group A was produced as well. Furthermore, there was no significant difference found regarding the technology interest. Also, the perceived feeling of control was significantly increased between all groups, and this is true for the mobile application and the live feedback. And last but not least, we were able to show that there is a correlation between the user experience and the feeling of control. We also had qualitative feedback that we collected during the unstructured interviews and grouped together with a 3-rater agreement, and today I want to highlight a few interesting ones. During the autonomous ride for the group without live explanation, more people said that the shuttle drives cautiously and slowly, and more people said that in some situations the shuttle's reactions were unclear. For the group with live explanations, more of them said that the shuttle's reactions were clear. Regarding the mobile application, more people from the group without live feedback during the ride said that the app is helpful, whereas more people from the group with live explanations during the ride said that the mobile application is unnecessary or not helpful. To conclude, live explanations about decisions of the autonomous vehicle and its perception lead to a significantly increased user experience, understanding of the system, and perceived feeling of control. Retrospective explanations lead to a significantly increased user experience and understanding of the system if no live explanations were present, and also to a significantly increased perceived feeling of control. This research was partially funded by the German Federal Ministry of Education and Research, and I once again want to thank our awesome team, Joanna, Alicia, Sabir, Dimitra, and Ansgar, and thank you very much.